What soil will I plant my roots conducive to my growth? Are the people around me conducive to my growth? Because do y'all believe that we outgrow people? So why when you know that you're outgrowing someone, we're trying to hold on to these people when they were only there for a season? Have y'all ever wondered why snakes shed skin? Can anyone tell me why a snake shed its skin so many times throughout its life cycle? It has to grow. It cannot be its full potential caught up in that little skin it was born in. So you're going to move to different levels throughout life. You are going to move through different people. My university will not be the only mastermind you join. There's more. I am a season for you. I am a product. But guess what? There's other things you're going to need to learn to know. I wish I could tell you that I have all the answers for you for the rest of your life. I don't. I am here to give you a seed for you to sow. But it's up to you now where you're going to get the fertilizer, where you're going to get the tools to prune the garden, where you're going to get everything. So I leave this to you before the next speaker comes up.